to another episode of Caro Cooks. I'm Chef Caro. I bet you're noticing something different. You're not looking directly up my nose, are you? It's because I got a tripod. Unfortunately, I don't know where to look in the camera. But I'm just gonna talk to it and hope that works. I'm not very good with technology, as you can see. So today I'm gonna have some helpers. We've got our little helper elf, Sugar Plum Fairy Chloe. Say hi! My other helper elf here, Santa's little helper Maddox. Say hi!
Hi!
And we have one more helper elf to show you. You ready for him? Introducing the kitchen helper elf. His name is... he doesn't get a name. Can you even imagine the magic that would come from naming this guy?
It's kind of creepy. This is our UC elf. His name is Honeycomb. He's not very scary.
He's not scary. Alright, so episode 3, I picked this guy up at a local antique store in Monroe, Georgia. It says it's vintage. It looks a little fancy to be vintage. I am going to make a what? Come here.
Santa cake!
Santa cake. Yep. Have we ever decorated a Santa cake before?
No!
Is it going to be interesting?
Yes! I can spray it inside?
Yes, spray it really, really good. Really good. Especially in the cracks. Okay, yeah, that's really good. I'm gonna try to even it out. Now coat the pans with flour. Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, right now. Lord of mercy. Okay, that's too much. That's too much.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we were just supposed to put a little bit. We'll fix it. It's okay. Okay, that's good. All right, we'll fix it. Okay. Good job. All right,
We need a spoon to fix this.
Yeah, can you scoop it and put it into that yellow? We need 2 cups of flour. So 1 1/4 cups of sugar. That's 5 scoops, buddy. You scoop it, 1 tablespoon baking powder.
Where do I put it?
Wait, you gotta fill it up. There you go. You put it in there.
You?
Yep.
This?
Yep, that.
What?
Pour it in. Yep.
That one?
That one.
It has that?
That's fine. Good job. Yeah, I accidentally paused it, but you did a really good job of pouring the salt in. My bad. And now you're supposed to sift everything together, but I appear to have either donated or lost the sifter due to lack of baking. So we're just gonna hope this works. Good job mixing, buddy. Vanilla. All right, now milk. All right, keep going. You got it. Okay. Whew. Good job. The same container.
This container?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Bowling?
All of it. Yep. The whole
Right now?
thing. Yep. Right now.
Okay.
Nicely done. Oh, jeez. Oops. Now it's locked in place, I hope. Yep. All right. 2 minutes beating.
I made a butt and folding.
What you think, girl? So, if we're being honest, this is probably my very first made from scratch cake in the 39 years of my life. I can't believe I just told you how old I am. I'm no Pinterest mom. Everything that I learn from Google. My kids are learning how to cook. Sorry, I know I'm kooky, but I meant to say cook. We're learning how to cook together. It's fun. And now it cools for 10 minutes. I think it's done. So I Googled how to remove a cake from a decorative pan. Let's see how it goes. All right. It says to tap it firmly. I'm so sorry, Vintage Santa. Now gently lift. It kind of looks like Santa Claus. Okay guys, so I'm assuming that this might be one of those stand-up 3D cakes. It's gonna look really nice. No instructions came with this, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Just singing, all is merry and bright. Something about this Christmas talking, Santa Claus comes tonight. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Oh. Okay, I don't know if I did this correctly. I don't know if I did that right. Is this supposed to be a 3D Santa? I thought it would be, but I just don't know. Help me. Oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do?
Face!
Wait, what'd you say?
What's happened to her face? His eyes!
Poor Santa. Poor Santa.
His eyes is gone!
No, he still has his eyes.
Where is it?
Right. Oh, that's a big bite. Okay. What you think?
Eating it right out of the pan.
Huh? Yeah, right out of the pan. That's how this cake's gonna get eaten. What you think?
Done.
Good?
Where I want to eat.
Daddy's figuring out where he's gonna eat. The face.
I want to eat the face.
Pretty good.
Good. Thumbs up. All right, Chloe, you try. What you think? Good, isn't it? Thank you for tuning in to Caro Cooks. Hope you enjoyed it. Hold on, let me make it so you can see the kid. All right, come on. Well, there's saw my gut. Say bye. That was fun.
Bye, that's fun.
Thanks for tuning in.